I remember a moment when I really messed up with my child, and I hurt her. My heart opened so wide to all the pain of all children in the universe, because I hurt her and I saw it firsthand. And I also realized all the pain that my parents may have caused me and their parents caused them, because I saw how easy it is to be unconscious. So I kind of forgave everyone in my life for causing me pain. I began to understand how pain is caused, because I saw myself doing it to my child, because I saw the power of unconsciousness. If we step into consciousness, what actually begins to happen is you begin to see your inner child more clearly because of your dear children, but then you begin to see, hopefully, your partner's inner child. And so you begin to understand more, wow, because you remember perhaps that your partner told you a story that when they were 3 years old, they were locked outside the house, and now you have a 3-year-old. So then you really have compassion. So the parenting journey is such a profound opportunity for us to heal ourselves, to heal our children and then future generations, to forgive our parents, to connect to other people. Now I see the pain in other people so clearly. My child showed me that. So the opportunity to reparent ourselves, and that's what this book is all about, the parenting map, because it's all about how can the parent reparent themselves through their relationship with their children. And that opportunity you can only get with your children.